Hi everyone, this is Surbhi from Digification. Today we'll see that the recommendations which you often see on your Google Ads, how you can increase your optimization. Also, you have these options of even dismissing them. Let's explore that. So here I'm just taking a case. If you see that I am seeing some campaigns, and if you see the optimization score column here, so for example, I'm going to take this one with the lowest optimization score amongst these campaigns. Now here you'll see that there are a couple of recommendations. Some would be around keywords, some would be around to increase some site links or extensions. If you see some snippets. Now here if you see it's right now on 63.5, either I can apply these recommendations and see if I can increase that score, or I can also dismiss this. So for example, let's see that, let's say if I want to apply this. Now if you see this customer complete advertiser verification, if I'm going to do this, then the score will be plus 4.3. So this would be added here. Customer list, now if I apply this, it's going to be plus. So you can actually eventually increase your scores after seeing that what all things you can do. Here if you see, let's say something which I don't want to do. For example, it says that complete expanded with Google search partners, but I don't want to put my ad on Google search partners. So instead of applying, I can simply go to this and dismiss. Click dismiss all, and you'll see that eventually that score will also increase. Why? Because we didn't want it to apply that. And otherwise you can see the recommendations which you can apply. Simply click on view recommendations, check that, or apply.